In this video, we're going to learn how to view your past Ulta Beauty Services appointments. You could also check out our favorite Ulta products in the description below. First, you need to go to the website ulta.com. Click on the Join or Sign In button at the top part of the website. Then, a window will open on the right side of the screen. Here, type your email address and password, then click Sign In. After signing in, the screen will show you your account. Next, look for the profile icon on the top right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. You will now see a drop-down. The last option would be Beauty Services. Click Beauty Services. Click on the tab that says Past Salons to view all your past Ulta Beauty salons. That's how you view your past Ulta Beauty salons. Also, check out our favorite Ulta Beauty products in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.